How to fix this site can't be reached in Android. So if you want to fix this site can't be reached in Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And once you're under your browser, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go with privacy and security. Now under privacy and security, you will have an option of delete browsing data or clear browsing data. Just simply tap on it. And you need to go with the advanced section, which is on the right side, and then you need to delete the data. So you can simply choose browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, and go and delete the data. And once you've deleted, then your problem might be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then again you need to go with the same process, which is again go with the upper right, which has that three dots, tap on settings and go with privacy and security. Now you need to go with use secure DNS and then go with choose another provider, and here you need to go with custom and enter the URL. If you choose custom, then here you will have the option, so you can simply choose the open DNS option. And once you've done this, now you need to go back and reload your page or just relaunch your Chrome and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then just simply go back and open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and go with network and internet, and here you need to go with SIM card and mobile network, go with your SIM, and here you may have an option of mobile networks. Just simply go with the mobile network and make sure that you've turned off the mobile network. Once you turn it off, then your problem might be fixed. If this all doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do is just connect it to a VPN. So if you have a VPN service, any VPN that you are comfortable with, you just need to simply go and connect it to the VPN, and once you've connected, then your page will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the site can't be reached in Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.